Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have a Revive essential oils haul. It's all back to school seasonal stuff, and then I also have a mini haul from Whimsy and Wellness. It's a company that used to be a bunch of essential oil accessories, and now they're kind of more going to crystals, but I got some bottles and things to make for the girls. So let's jump into the Revive. Actually, I'm going to open the Whimsy and Wellness order first. So I got this because the girls like to use skincare products and they're into makeup and beauty and stuff, but I don't want them using stuff that's going to harm their skin or really even do much. I don't want them to be using any active ingredients, if that makes sense. Just something super gentle and easy on their skin. Anyway, so I make their own facial spray and just rollers and stuff that they can use on their face. And then for their face wash, they just use their little compressed towels. I can link them down below, and they just get those wet and just wash their face with that. So anyways, this is for them. And so I got, there's a dilution chart that just came for free. A lot of their stuff was like clearance because I think they are going more towards the crystals and not having as many things. But these are little labels. See if I can take them out and hopefully you'll be able to see. But it's like different blends. So they have, let's see. Oh, some of them are just single oil. So bergamot, cedarwood, cinnamon, but then they have blends. So citrus blend, courage blend, emotion blend, that you can label anything with, whatever you make. And they're just really cute. Gold labels. I got 2 of them, I think. I'm not even really sure. It's been a while. Their shipping was not super fast. 2 of the same thing, so just like gold letter labels. And then I got emoji labels because sometimes it's just easier for them to look at one of their rollers and see a picture instead of having to read it. But there are 3 pages. They look like they're the same. And there's just different emoji pictures of what, for example, sickness or sleep, angry, happy, tummy, feet, heart. So I thought that would be cool. Choose an emotion sticker based on the blend. Oh, and then choose a body sticker of where it should be applied. So emotion or whatever, and then where they apply it. So that's really cool. Then I got 2 of these, which is what I'm going to make their face stuff in. Oh, one is a dropper and one is a spray bottle. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So this is why I used to love them, but I'm really sad that they don't have as much of this stuff anymore. But this is a 2-piece set. I need scissors. 2 bottles, a little dropper, and a little spray bottle. So I'll make a face serum, which is basically going to probably be like jojoba oil and like a drop of lavender or something else maybe, but very minimal. Dilution rate is super low. Just it's the feeling and letting into the routine of doing this stuff really. I don't know if this is going to give you a good close-up. If not, I'll add one, but these are so pretty. These are frosted glass bottles, gold detail, and then I got 2 sets so they can each have their little skincare at their sink. And then I just got some random things. These are just little spray tops that you can add to, I forgot which bottle these were for. I don't know if this is for an essential oil bottle. It might just be for like essential oil, like 15 ml bottle, or it could be for a roller. I don't really remember. And then 2 dropper tops, which are for rollers. And then lastly, I got this little set of bottles. So it has some roller bottles, it has 1 spray top and 1 dropper top bottle, which you can also make some skincare or whatever, level skincare, or just whatever. Like, literally the possibilities are endless, but these are so cute, and so I wish they continued making this type of stuff. But that is Whimsy and Wellness. I will try to put it down below. If you're into crystals, they have a ton of that now. Here is my Revive order. I got a lot of back to school things. So this is back to school theme. Revive is our favorite essential oil brand for a lot of reasons. They third-party test. They're the highest quality, amazing prices. They always have sales, no middleman. They show their third-party tests on their website. They just check all the boxes and they're so affordable. I got some more inhalers because these inhalers are a super effective way to use essential oils. Topical use is really effective for a lot of things too, but for emotions and a lot of things that our girls struggle with, inhalers are the way to go. So these are just, I have one here so I don't have to open this whole pack, and these are just the wicks. I got a pack of to replace the wicks that go inside, but this is one that I already have made. So you take the lid off, you can see just like there's some holes there. You just breathe in and just get all the aromatic benefits, but this comes out. There is a wick inside there, and that's what I got replacements for, so you can change out. This one is my allergy inhaler, so I have blue tansy, lemon, peppermint, and lavender, I believe, in there. So you unscrew that. You can just drop the oils directly down into it, or you can take the wick out, drop onto the glass bottle. I love. There's a lot of plastic inhalers that are really just garbage because essential oils and plastic don't really mix, especially the super powerful ones like lemon, etc. But I love that these are glass and this is aluminum, so there's no plastic on these Revive ones, and they're not expensive either. So go with these ones if you're gonna make an inhaler. And then it's just like, it's nicer to have in your purse also. I'm gonna put some Bravery ones maybe in the girls' backpacks. Emery needs that one specifically, but just based on their needs, you can make an inhaler for so many different emotional things. And then I got bills. So let's see, I got a lot of rollers. It's back to school. You just want to make it simple and have on the go or ready to use rollers for a lot of different things. This one is headache relief. I hope this is focusing. I'm using my camera differently today. So this is headache relief. Headache and stomach ache are two of the common things that we deal with, especially with the girls. And I like these because they're pre-diluted. I don't know the percentage, so if you want to get super specific, our girls are old enough now where we don't have to be extremely careful. We're still diluting, but they're not like went under anymore. So this is peppermint. No, it's eucalyptus. Sorry, eucalyptus, rosemary, lavender, then peppermint, and then hyssop. Smells good. Peppermint. Those are just really good oils for just kind of rolling along the crown of your head and getting some cooling headache relief. Protect is the next one. I'll put the price points on here too. This one is more like a immune support oil. This is in coconut oil. It's orange, wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, cinnamon leaf and cinnamon bark, and then rosemary. Similar to Thieves. All of those potent essential oils for germ support, basically. So that is Protect. Next I got, and after I placed this order, I saw that they had a kids line on some specific things too. So this isn't like all inclusive, but I will add to this blog post and down below some other oils that would be helpful for back to school too. Oh, this is not back to school, so I'll share that last. Okay, Courage is next. We have one that is prone to anxiety and nervousness, just a new thing. So this is a really good blend for that. I believe this is the Young Living dupe for Valor. So it smells just like Valor. It's got the blue tansy. What else does it have in it? Black spruce, camphor, blue tansy, frankincense, and geranium. So it has those grounding essential oils, and really it just is the best oil that I have found for nervousness and anxiety and things like that. Confidence, courage, valor, that's that. Anxiety ease, we also got this one. This one is also, these are all the rollers are pre-diluted, so it's in coconut oil. This one is wintergreen, lavender, peppermint, frankincense, cilantro, Roman chamomile, sweet marjoram, basil, and rosemary. So this one's a super unique blend for anxiety. Ooh. It's got a lot of the menthol from the wintergreen. Did I say peppermint too? Yeah, but it's also grounding. So it's kind of like awakening, but grounding. This is different. I haven't smelled a blend for that because usually anxiety blends are just calming, calm, ground. This one's kind of like wake up, you're good. And then the Works. So the Works is actually a blend for post-workout for musculoskeletal. If you have sore muscles, or you need relief for joints and stuff like that, which I actually don't know if I knew that when I put this in the order. But anyways, this is peppermint balsam, Canada, clove, lemon, coconut oil, balsam copaiba, wintergreen, and rosehip. So this one will be a good on the go for sore muscles. The girls are in gymnastics and sometimes they pull a muscle or just get sore from a certain workout or something. With this wintergreen though, I'm gonna have to just look and be kind of careful, but does it say safety? Not intended for children under the age of 6. So just use your discretion, do your research too, but wintergreen is one of those oils that with kids, it just doesn't really, it could be a safety issue. So anyways, the last thing that's in my order is because I just ran out of this, and I can do an entire video on harmonious healing. This is my I cannot live without essential oil blend. It is the dupe for Young Living's Progessence Plus. So it is a hormone support oil. I actually do have a whole video on hormones and oils. This has wild yam and a bunch of different essential oils, and so it helps with balancing your cycle and your hormones. And so wild yam is like nature's form of progesterone, and so that's going to help balance you in that way. But the rest of the oils in here are copaiba, frankincense, cedarwood, bergamot, furocumarin free, so it's not going to make you sensitive to the sun, not phototoxic, peppermint, and then the wild yam extract. Oh, and what is the last one? And clove. So for me personally, this helps regulate my cycle. It is very regular. My PMS symptoms are minimal, and then my period is shorter and lighter. And so when I'm not taking this, big difference. This and magnesium, that's been the two things that have helped me most, I would say. Aside from like lifestyle things that I also do just from a holistic approach, but this oil is a life changer. So anyways, this is my back to school, just kind of regular things repurchase, and then some cute new, oh my gosh, these are so cute, bottles to make skincare. I'll do a video on exactly how I'm gonna make these. This will probably just be witch hazel and a splash of lavender or maybe blue tansy to make it kind of blue in the bottle, but super simple skincare so they can just feel like they are doing something. But anyways, let me know if you have any questions. The links to shop will be down below. Have a good day. Bye.